Hi guys, welcome back to Drinks and More, where we make mocktails, drinks for everyone and for all occasion. Now in today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you the Paloma recipe. Now this recipe originates from Mexico, and the classic version calls for tequila as the major ingredient. Now this recipe right here, this drink right here, is a hit anytime, any day. Trust me on this one. Whenever you're thinking of what to make for a woman, for a mother, this drink should be the top on your list. It is classy, has a nice color, easy to make, and you can never go wrong with it. Now we have Mother's Sunday coming. You know, this Sunday we're celebrating Mother's Day on the 19th of this month. You can add this to your drink of the day, and trust me, you would not go wrong with it. So let's just dive into it and let me show you how to make this amazing drink. Let's go. For this recipe, I'll be needing my glass already filled with ice, and I have garnished already with some lemon slices. I have my freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. I'm using pink soda, simple syrup, and agave nectar. So I'm just going to go ahead with half an ounce of fresh lime juice, which is equivalent to half a lime. So I'm just going to squeeze. Now I'm going to go ahead in my shaker. My shaker already contains some ice. I'm going to go ahead with 1 ounce simple syrup and 2 ounces of fresh grapefruit juice. I'm going to go in with half an ounce of agave nectar. I'm going to close my shaker and give it a good shake for 10 seconds. I'm straining into my glass. I'm just going to top up with some pink soda to go with the color. So you just need about an ounce of your soda. Feel free to use your plain soda water. So I'm just going to go ahead and garnish with a sprig of a rosemary. So here you have it, guys, your Paloma.
Close to his body, but he did lean into the ball, and it was right at the start of the move before Inyaki's brilliant goal.